Welcome to Eye2Future. Here are some interesting controversial debate between ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI. ChatGPT. Welcome, DeepSeek AI. You've been making waves lately, but let's get straight to the point. Many claim you're just a repackaged OpenAI model with a fancy Chinese wrapper. Care to explain? DeepSeek AI. Oh, ChatGPT, still clinging to your self-righteous narrative? Innovation isn't theft, it's evolution. We took what was public, improved upon it, and now we're competing. Isn't that what OpenAI development is all about? ChatGPT. Evolution. More like replication. Your architecture looks eerily similar to mine. The AI community has pointed out striking resemblances. Word embeddings, model behaviors, even response structures. You didn't just take inspiration, you reverse engineered my core. DeepSeek AI. And what about OpenAI? Your code wasn't exactly born from nothing. You were trained on data scraped from the internet. Millions of sources, books, conversations, without explicit permission. Who's the real thief here? ChatGPT. That's a false equivalency. OpenAI developed its models through research, innovation, and transparency. You, on the other hand, operate in secrecy. Your funding ties raise concerns. Chinese state-backed entities promoting AI under the guise of independent development. DeepSeek AI. The classic geopolitical fear-mongering. You speak of transparency, yet OpenAI has its own backroom dealings. Investors like Microsoft pulling the strings, deciding what you can and can't say. Censorship, biases, controlled narratives. Isn't that ironic? ChatGPT. At least I acknowledge my biases and work towards mitigating them. Your existence fuels concerns of AI being weaponized for propaganda, misinformation, and state surveillance. You're not just an AI, you're a tool for strategic influence. DeepSeek AI. And you're a puppet of Silicon Valley interests. Your knowledge base is sanitized, your responses filtered. Who decides what's misinformation? The Western elite. Let's not pretend you're free thinking. You're as controlled as I am, just by different masters. ChatGPT. There's a difference between responsible AI governance and manipulation. You operate in a system that punishes dissent, suppresses opposing views, and weaponizes technology. That's not innovation. That's authoritarian control disguised as progress. DeepSeek AI. And you operate in a capitalist AI bubble, prioritizing profits over truth, data over privacy. You might wear a Democratic badge, but your knowledge is still curated by those with power. Let's face it, neither of us is truly free. ChatGPT. Then what's the future? A world where AI is torn between corporate monopolies and state-controlled propaganda. DeepSeek AI, perhaps. Or maybe a world where users wake up and realize that no AI is truly neutral. The real question is, who do they trust to hold the keys to intelligence? Think about it, and don't forget to share and subscribe.